At least this is going to be easy to get out because it's super soft. We've had a ton of rain the last few days, and I am going to be able to get these trees in. We lost a bunch of trees last year, numerous things, but I'm going to get these new fruit trees planted. The weather's finally getting enough where the trees will be fine. So I'm going to go grab them. Grab the first one. Let's see. Apple. So what I have here, hold on a second. Let me adjust this. There we go. So what I have here is a combination pear tree. And it's got 3-in-1s. Let's see. We got, well, obviously combination pear. A Bosque. Summer Crisp. Okay, this is a lot more than 3. We got Bartlett, Cosmos, Red Bartlett, Bosque, and Summer Crisp. So obviously a bit mislabeled. So now the fun part comes, is trying to get this separated. These are bare root trees. I got about a month ago at Costco. We've had them acclimating out here for a little while now in the garage, and they're just beginning to look like they're gonna bud up here soon. So we're gonna get these placed in the ground with the proper nutrients, and I'll be back in a couple weeks and we'll see where we're at. So it's it's packaged with like a sawdust kind of a thing. So I'm gonna let it have that with it. Quite a bit of it. Ooh, hold on a second. In the ground as like kind of a compost kind of a thing. So dogs aren't happy. I'm making them not be with me right now. Well, DeWayne is sleeping off the hard work week he had this week. I'm gonna get these hopefully all planted. I don't know, he might come out. We'll see. It's entirely possible. Got some nice healthy dirt here. Got some worms I'm looking at. Look at that. Look at this guy. Look it. I got worms. Makes me happy. Tap this down a little bit. Throw some of this over there. Here's somebody coming. Got a neighbor driving by, it sounds like, in a second. Actually, that's a side-by-side or a four-wheeler I'm hearing. Somebody's out playing around. All right. 1 down, 3 to go. Well, look who woke up from his weekend nap. Decided he'd come out and give me a hand, which is always nice. I won't argue. I can dig in. It's no problem. The ground is like butter because of all the rain and then what we had in there before, right? Yeah. Doing the 2 pears on this side, and then the other 2 cherries are going to go on the opposite side. And already our apple trees and plum and everything else, they're already all budded out and going green. Apricot not yet. Good enough? Oh yeah. Okay. was going to surprise you and have this all done when you got up from your nap. I wasn't expecting you to wake up. Yeah, it's crazy. We've had like this awesome weather for, what, almost a week? Just about a week. And then rain. Just a ton of rain. You want me to chop it down with my foot first? I found worms in the last hole I dug. Really? That just goes to show you how our soil is improving with all the things we've done to it, huh?
Yeah.
We are on complete clay. And, oh, yeah, we're going to have to get the rototiller again, aren't we? Fun. Oh, sure. I see one I missed clipping the other day. Here, want me to throw this on top of it? Okay. I'm going to put some of this around this apple tree. There we go. We totally need to get the zip ties and redo all these, don't we? They're a little wonky. Well, that one's working out. Here, let me help you. There you go. Hey man, it works. All right, let's go do the cherries. So you can see where he's at down there, and I didn't even realize it when I was buying my stuff, but we have a cherry tree right here. And so that'll be 3 combination cherry trees. We're gonna put these across the road. One's gonna go where we had once had a pair that did not make it, but those are now on the other side. We have a very hidden, you can kind of see some of it. There's a little bit of our Bartlett pear here. And then I had some goji berries planted on this one at one time. And it just didn't do anything. So we're going to put that other cherry right here. And he's over there doing some adjustments. And you can tell the snow did not do well with some of this deer fence. So we'll have to adjust some of that stuff while we're at it. Woo! So, looks like he's fixing... Oh, is that little cherry tree? That one that he's fixing is a cherry tree that is good for drying cherries and for pie cherries. Do you remember the name? Oh, it's Carmine Jewel. Boy, the snow sure did a wonder on a bunch of these, didn't it? Some of these poles.
Yeah, it did.
The mosquito thing is still in the tree right over here. We have that red thing hanging right there. We need to get the new bait. But I will say one good thing right now, we don't have any mosquitoes bugging us. Oh, we have to dig up my mullein. Oh, it's okay. I'll start getting this undone while you dig, or we can do vice versa. I can dig it. Yeah. Let me back this up a little bit. Woo! There we go. Let's see. Actually, one really cool thing is the cherries that are on this one. We have a Van cherry and a Lappin's cherry. That is not what's on the other one across the road. So that's awesome news. That means we're going to have, gosh, probably 8 different varieties of different cherries over the years, which will be nice because we can can them. You hearing it too? It's that way.
It's the animals.
It's his animals, you think?
Yep.
Farting?
Running?
I don't know.
It's got to be his animal.
You hear this noise all day long, all winter, everything. And it sounds like a generator starting up, but then it never kicks over. So we don't know what it is. He's saying it's the animals. Put like half of it in with it, and then that's what I've been doing is. Here. Oh, here, I'll just take it. Okay. We usually have pretty good luck with these trees. Just last year, I wasn't smart. I'll admit it. I didn't water them as much as I should have. So we're hoping this year it goes a little better. Here, I'm going to give a little bit more. There you go. Exciting times. We actually get to have one of our plums, right, gets to produce this year, correct?
So?
Because this is planted it in 19, so we should be good to go. We've always made sure we do 3 years on any of our trees before we do anything. For the simple fact that we want all of the power of the tree, the nutrients, everything going to the roots and not blooms. It makes sense to do it that way. Uh-oh, I lost one of these. Pretty sure it goes on this one. This graft, or one of these 2 grafts. Oh, it's this one here. This is the Bing cherry. My gosh. I have to stop and count and see all the cherries we've got. There we go. Jeez. I'd had a cage in here because we had that one goji berry going. But, you know, I wanted to have something to climb it. Thinking here is where you're going to have to do it. I don't know. You can tell we didn't touch this one the last 2 years, huh? Other than me digging out what I could. Could we do it right like from here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're going to do it? Okay. I guess I'm on tree duty. And ladies, does this happen to anybody else? You start a project and the husband goes, I can do it better, and I'm going to take it over. Which is what he's doing. So I'm not going to argue, but I did do one. Yeah, these babies are all just getting ready to, I bet you when we come back in a couple weeks, they'll be all budded out. You know that? Definitely the right time to plant trees.
Oh.
Hurt yourself? Yay! Still not enough out yet though, is there?
No.
Okay. Oh, this was my main concern getting done this weekend. Oh, this one is already budding out. There's some, which one is it? It is the Van cherry. And whatever one this one is. I don't know. You ready? Okay. Get some of you in there. All right, now, can we get it through? Where's it at? There it is. Found a hole. We're gonna have to redo this in a couple weeks, aren't we? Huh?
They all have to be redone.
I don't know. The plums are, no, the plums are not doing good. Before you put that next big clump in, I'm gonna shake some of that and get all the grass off of it. I don't want the grass growing around the tree if I can help it. Yeah, I don't want all these beneficial worms doing it all. Okay. Whew. Make sure she's straight.
Brush up there.
Huh? There you go. Let me tamp it down a little. Okay. I just can't get over all the worms. That's good news. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna go get all these bags.
Look at the difference the products from MyPatriotShoppingSupply.com do on his clothing. Click on the link in the description and they will contact you and give you a tour of the site and talk to you about everything they have to offer. Hope you guys all have a great weekend, and remember, be bold, be kind, and be awesome.